So for the exercise here, we have the places project, and you can just open that project, and we want to modify the plugin to change the project CRS to the CRS of the tile that we are adding. So it is loading the base map, and the places layer will be having another layers as well. So project CRS should be set to the base map that is loaded. So you can use the same thing. So QGIS project instance.set CRS and use this one to set the CRS. You just have to change your load basemap.py file, and you will have to add this one here. So you can just modify the file, reload the plugin, and see if it's working for you.
So the idea is that when we load a tile layer, the tile layers come in a specific CRS. Most often they come in the CRS 3857 Web Workator. So if you want to render the tiles in the native CRS, it's always a good idea to use the CRS of the tile layer when you load it. So right now I've opened this places project, and you can see my CRS of the project is 4326. So we want to change our plugin so that when we load the base map, we also change the CRS of the project. You can see now my CRS has also been changed to 3857.